kids to Joey Joey's Imagination Station, where we learn together, we play together, we explore together, and help each other. Welcome back, kids, to Joey Joey's Imagination Station. Today we're going to have my kiddo use his imagination to build Legos. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. So, kiddo, what have you already built here?
I built a thing with a very long neck, and his name is kiddos.
Oh, cool.
And he has these things that I got new, and he has a white button, this white thing so he can see. This is
awesome.
his part where he talks.
Oh, that's great.
These are his rumor pieces, and these are his engines.
Oh, wow. Clara, did you see this, Clara?
Yeah!
What do you think, Clara?
Good!
Oh, yeah, it's pretty imaginative, huh?
Yeah!
Oh, yeah, you thought this all up on your own, huh, kiddo?
Yep.
Yeah. Using your imagination?
Yep.
Very good. So what are you going to build now, kiddo?
Now I'm going to build a ship that's going to go on this.
Okay. You watching, Clara? He's going to build some more using his imagination.
First we're going to do the back, which has a hammer shark on.
Okay.
It's the 64 or hammer shark part up the back.
Okay.
We're going to use these two pieces.
You watching, Clara?
Yeah.
Oh, there's cute Clara.
Hi, Clara. Hi. Hi, Clara.
Yeah, Clara loves Legos too, huh, Clara?
Yeah. I like pretty stuff too.
You do, yeah. You're great.
Now we're gonna add. Mom just gave me Ellie Clara. Mom just gave me Clara. Mom just gave Ellie Clara.
Oh, very good, Clara. Okay, kiddo, so what are you doing now?
Now I'm putting on these pieces. Will help it get off easier.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
So now we're gonna make the part with a piece like this, and it's gonna stick up.
Oh, wow.
Right
Yeah.
here.
Oh, nice, Clara.
But it's gonna be right here. So I'm gonna move it right here. Kitty.
Oh, yeah, Kitty's coming, Clara. Yeah, Kitty will be here in a minute.
Okay. So, Kitty's the Mr. Video.
Yeah, we gotta get Kitty here, huh, Clara?
Come on, Kitty. I need Kitty. Okay. See this? It's gonna go right here, and it's gonna attach. See?
Oh, I see, yeah. Yeah, meow, meow, I'm here, guys. Meow, meow.
Hi, Kitty.
Yeah, hi, Kitty. How's it going, Kitty?
Look
How
what
are you, Kitty?
Look what I'm making.
Oh, meow, meow, that's great.
Now we're gonna make the. I'm gonna build some Legos. The person. I'm gonna build some Legos. But this is a monster.
Okay, meow, meow. Be nice.
Meow, meow. Clara, tigers eat kitties.
Be nice, Clara.
You got a mosquito bite.
Okay, let's watch our kiddo build the Legos.
Now we're gonna put on this piece that's gonna go right. I'm gonna build some Legos. Maybe we need another blue piece. See? Okay, another.
Oh wow, that's cool, kiddo.
Where is that? This is if we have a blue. Now we're gonna make a thing working with these. See?
Oh, meow, meow. That's great, kiddo.
It's just to hang on.
Oh, look at what Clara did, guys.
Wow! I got this.
Oh, that's great, Clara.
I built it.
You built that all by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing, Clara. What is it?
For airplanes to land on.
Oh, wow, an airport. Wow, that's great, kiddo.
I only got eggs to the egg. See, I got my egg.
Oh, very good, Clara.
It's for the hand.
Oh, that's silly.
Yeah, it's like a birthday hat.
That's like a birthday. Oh, that's silly, Clara.
Joey!
Oh, yeah, it's happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Joey, you have an iPad.
Yeah, happy birthday to me.
See this? It's
Okay, here, kiddo.
a thing that spins to see wherever things that go lead to.
Okay, very
So I'm
good.
gonna put it right here. Hey Julie, look at this
Oh, wow, that's cool, kiddo.
Hey Julie, look at this little piece.
Oh, I see, Clara.
Different stuff together.
Yeah.
Hey
I see,
Joey, different stuff
Yeah, I see,
together.
kiddo, so we can show the other kiddos. Oh, wow. Cool. Hey, now what are you going to do, kiddo?
Now I'm gonna add these two pieces to this. Joey. Now I'm gonna use this.
Okay,
This
Clara.
piece. See?
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna add this piece to it.
Okay.
And
Using
now
your imagination, kiddo.
we're gonna put these two pieces together. So with this thing. See?
Oh, wow, I see, kiddo.
And this is going to go right here.
Oh, very good.
And now this piece is going to go...
Oh, I
I
hear a
don't have
baby in the background, kiddo. So what you doing now, kiddo?
So now I'm making the gun, which is going to have these blue pieces. Mommy.
Oh, looks like it fell down, kiddo. Oh, you doing a gravity experiment, kiddo? Yeah.
Look at my yellow pieces.
Oh, look at, yeah,
They
look at,
all watch my
yeah, look at Clara's yellow pieces, kiddos.
Wow. They don't want to watch me build?
Yeah, let's watch Clara build too.
Now look.
Oh, wow, kiddo, that's cool.
Looks like Clara.
Oh, I got a 2-year-old grabbing my face here, kiddos. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, I love you too, kiddo.
Joey?
Yeah. Yeah, let's see what the kiddos built first.
Joey, watch Clara.
Oh, wow, that's amazing, kiddo. Very cool. Okay, let's see, Clara. What are you making, Clara?
I want. Okay, I'm gonna get the top off for a second.
Okay.
That's what having a work time. I'm gonna do it faster.
Wow, what is that, kiddo?
It's a thing that watch Clara, Joey. Use to put on these pieces, but
Very good.
this is gonna go on this. And this. Joey, watch Clara. Because we're
Let's
not.
see.
Ta-da!
Oh, good job, Miss Clara. Very good. You're both doing great with your Legos.
Clara again.
All right, kiddo. Looking good, kiddo. Good job, Clara.
No, I need some more pieces. Joey, watch Clara.
And what's that, kiddo?
It's a thing that's gonna help the gun stick, but I can't get it stick. So I'm gonna take 2 pieces off to stick.
Joey, watch Clara.
This.
Okay, we're gonna go over to Clara for a second. Wow, Clara, looking good.
Joey, watch little Clara.
Looking good. Looks like a pyramid you built in there, kiddo.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Good job, Clara.
I need to build some more and watch me.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do these. They're gonna stick right here. But I'm gonna let this one stick right here.
Okay.
See? It sticks.
Joey,
kiddo,
watch
that's
Clara.
cool. Very cool. All right, looking good, Clara.
I want you to watch too.
All right, kiddos. Well, we're just about done here. You guys hear my brother barking?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's going woof woof. Woof woof.
It's from Joey Joey too.
Woof woof. Yeah, this name is Joey Joey 2. And I'm
Yeah.
Joey Joey 1.
Our dog's really barking at the backyard.
Yeah. All right, kiddos. Well, great job building your Legos. All you kiddos at home, you can use your imagination to build Legos.
Done.
You can build whatever you want.
We're almost done.
So look at
Joey.
this, kiddos.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at Clara.
Yeah, see?
Oh, wow.
Hey,
It's a thing for this guy.
hey, Joey, watch Clara.
All right, let's see, Clara. Oh, wow. What is that, Clara?
Something.
Are here. Monster and lots of time.
Very good. All right, kiddos. Well, thanks for building Legos with us. If you guys liked our video, please give us a like. And thanks for watching. Bye!
I said we're almost done.
Joey,